First date. Etiquette. Making a good impression. A first date can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. To ensure a positive experience, it's important to adhere to proper etiquette. Here are some tips to help you make a good impression. Before the date, be punctual. Arrive on time or slightly early to show respect for your date's time. Dress appropriately. Choose an outfit that reflects your personality and makes you feel confident. Research your date's interests. Learn about their hobbies or passions to have something to talk about. During the date, be a good listener. Show genuine interest in what your date has to say. Be polite. Use manners and avoid interrupting. Be mindful of your surroundings. Be aware of your body language and avoid negative behaviors like staring or fidgeting. Offer to pay. While it's not always necessary, offering to pay is a gesture of courtesy. Avoid sensitive topics. Steer clear of controversial or personal subjects on a first date. After the date, it's always a good idea to send a thank you note. A simple text or email expressing gratitude is a nice touch. And be honest about your feelings. If you enjoyed the date, let your date know. By following these guidelines, you can create a memorable and enjoyable first date experience. Remember, the most important thing is to be yourself and have fun.